Welcome to Prime Picks Lab. The best tissue salts is probably one of the most fascinating topics in the world of natural health. These remedies, also known as cell salts or biochemic remedies, are a form of homeopathic treatment. They are based on the theory that mineral elements are essential to our overall health and well-being. Today, we're diving deep into the world of tissue salts, exploring their benefits, and helping you decide if they're right for you. Number 5. Bestmade Bio28 Total Tissue Cell Salt Mineral Combination. This supplement is made of 12 natural salts. It supports overall wellness and cellular health. This helps your body function at its best. This supplement fortifies cells with essential minerals and nutrients. It helps boost metabolism and immunity. It also supports digestion and optimizes tissue production. This formula helps provide natural care for colds, viral symptoms, headaches, and tension. It helps the body restore complete health. These drops are non-GMO, gluten-free, and dairy-free. They are safe to use with most diets and traditional medication. The product comes packaged in EMF-resistant material. This effectively blocks out harmful frequencies, ensuring product quality and freshness during storage and transit. It increases energy levels and helps improve sleep patterns. Overall, it supports health and vitality. This product contains 350 pellets. What we like. This product helps your body absorb and use nutrients, which is essential for overall health. It also increases energy levels, helping you feel more vibrant throughout the day. If you're looking for a supplement that supports multiple aspects of your well-being, from energy to sleep, you should consider this. What people say. This cell salt is a must-have and extremely effective. My family has used tissue salts for decades. They stop leg cramps immediately when hiking. It seems to help in subtle ways. You start to feel better, more energy, less itchiness. Number 4. Bestmade Economy Pack Cell Salt Kit. This economy pack includes all 12 Schussler cell salts. They are designed to provide your body with vital cellular nutrition. It's a comprehensive solution for your health needs. These cell salts are incredibly easy to use. A helpful remedy chart is included to guide you. You can easily find the right one for your specific needs. Schussler cell salts can help support your immune system. They also provide essential cellular nutrition. This helps promote your overall health and well-being. The product is made with all natural ingredients. It's safe for most people to use. You can trust it to support your body's natural processes. With regular use, these cell salts can help support your body's natural healing processes. They promote overall well-being. Incorporate them into your daily routine for optimal health. What we like. This economy pack includes all 12 tissue salt remedies, making it a comprehensive solution. It comes with an easy-to-use remedy chart, helping you find the right salts for your needs. If you are looking for a convenient and complete set of tissue salts to support your immune system and overall health, this is a great choice. What people say. Excellent product. Very well packed in a user-friendly storage box. Having all major 12 cell salts on hand and easily accessible is a major help. Bestmade cell tissue salts are actually some of the best made. I became acquainted with cell salts through homeopathist Joette Calabrese's blog posts and Vinton McCabe's excellent book, The Healing Echo, Discovering Homeopathic Cell Salt Remedies, because I was looking for more natural healing wellness methods for myself, my husband and pets. Number 3. Bestmade Classic Tissue Cell Salt Kit. Introducing the Bestmade Classic Tissue Cell Salt Kit, containing all 12 Schussler cell salts. This kit provides a comprehensive selection of essential minerals, supporting your overall wellness. This versatile kit is designed to meet a variety of needs. Whether for general wellness or specific purposes, it offers a broad range of essential minerals. These Schussler cell salts are believed to support immune system function and cellular nutrition. Many people use them to contribute to their overall well-being. We use glass bottles to ensure the quality and integrity of the salts. This packaging protects them, preserving their effectiveness for a longer period. The 12 Schussler cell salts are recognized for their role in cellular function. Many people value them for their potential contributions to natural bodily processes. Choose this classic tissue cell salt kit for a comprehensive solution. It can be a valuable addition to your wellness routine, offering versatility and essential minerals. What we like. This kit offers all 12 Schussler cell salts, providing a wide range of potential uses. The glass bottle packaging ensures the salt's protection and longevity. If you like a comprehensive solution for your wellness routine and appreciate quality packaging, this kit is perfect for you. What people say. I use them myself and also give them to my cats by dissolving 1 pellet in a shot glass of water and mixing it in their food. Cell salts are very basic and very diluted simple compounds not available from normal foods, but necessary for cell function. In my case, the salts removed my restless leg issues. I also use them for the symptoms of a cold and normal hay fever, and my blood pressure is equivalent to a 30-year-old. Number 2. Bestmade Bio28 Lactose-Free Mineral Combination. Introducing Bio28, a total tissue cell salt mineral combination. It provides essential minerals and nutrients to support your body's overall nutrition. This supplement is designed to help you feel your best. Bio28 aids in optimizing cellular function. It promotes healthy cell metabolism and functioning. This means the product helps your body work more efficiently. This product is free from chemicals, preservatives, and toxins. It is a safe choice for individuals looking for a natural mineral supplement. You can trust it to be gentle on your system. You can use Bio28 alongside other treatments, medicines, or supplements. There are no known drug interactions. It is designed to fit seamlessly into your existing health routine. Bio28 is gentle and safe for individuals of all ages. This includes new and nursing mothers. It is a worry-free choice for your entire family. Bio28 helps your body absorb nutrients. It also increases energy levels, improves sleep patterns, and restores vitality. Try it today and experience the difference. What we like. This product provides essential minerals and nutrients to support your body's overall nutrition. It aids in optimizing cellular function, promoting healthy cell metabolism. If you are looking for a safe and natural mineral supplement suitable for all ages, including new and nursing mothers, you should consider it. What people say. These really help my son when he's working out in the hot sun. The best brand cell salts are the highest quality cell salts I have found thus far. Haven't tried them all, but they're better beyond the 2 most popular brands. Very effective. Number 1. Jackson's Calc FLUOR 6X, 500 pellet bottle. This is Jackson's Calc FLUOR 6X, also known as Cell Salt Number 1. It's designed to help with chapped or cracked skin. This product is a great choice for those seeking natural remedies. Each bottle contains 500 pellets, providing 125 doses. If taken twice daily, it offers a 2-month supply. It's a convenient and effective way to support your health. This product is certified vegan by Vegan Action for 2025 to 2026. It's also lactose-free, gluten-free, grain-free, filler-free, and soy-free. It's made with your dietary needs in mind. Made in the USA using traditional homeopathic methods. It uses organic sucrose instead of lactose. This ensures the product's quality and purity. Packaged in a traditional amber glass bottle. This helps preserve its potency and reduces plastic use. It's a sustainable choice for your health and the environment. What we like. This product is certified vegan and lactose-free, making it suitable for various dietary needs. It offers 125 doses per bottle, providing a long-lasting supply. If you are looking for a specific cell salt with a focus on purity and ethical sourcing, you should consider this. What people say. I started these Calc FLUOR 6X, 4 pellets daily, in December 2024 for back and leg issues. I have noticed the numbness in the tops of my feet has disappeared and that my legs are calmer now and shins and calves are no longer painful. My friend is a naturopath and told me the quality is absolutely comparable, so I ordered this. If you want to see actual results on teeth, I strongly recommend Cell Salt Number 1. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.